The Rimac Nevera is an all-electric hypercar from Rimac Automobili, boasting extraordinary performance and cutting-edge technology. Unveiled in 2021, it delivers 1,914 horsepower and 2,360 newton-meters of torque from 4 electric motors, allowing it to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 1.85 seconds and reach a top speed of 258 miles per hour. With a 120 kilowatt-hour battery, the Nevera offers around 340 miles of range on a single charge and supports fast charging. Its sleek, carbon fiber exterior and luxurious tech-loaded interior make it a true masterpiece, while advanced features like torque vectoring, adaptive suspension, and driver assistance systems ensure outstanding performance and handling. Limited to only 150 units, the Rimac Nevera is priced around $2.4 million, making it an exclusive and environmentally friendly option in the hypercar market.